And release. Nice work. Let's come forward now onto all fours. Feel free to pad the knees if it feels good. Since Benji left, I will take his blanket. Tabletop position. Let's take a moment just to do a couple cat-cows here together. So drop the belly, open the chest, look forward. Think about the stretch in the throat here, in the front of the neck. Lengthen up through the crown, press away from your mat with your hands. And then exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest. Think about drawing that and then letting everything go. Come back to center, chin to chest. And then slowly carve a line with the nose all the way up to where the wall and the ceiling meet. So you're not necessarily going all the way up towards the sky. And then we'll take it back down. And then lift. Just nodding the head. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Make sure you're not holding your breath. And then finally, taking that nose and drawing a circle with it about the size of a dinner plate here. One way, and then the other, reverse it.